Okay, here we are back at the assembly area. This room I'm taking over is going to be my assembly area. And I had the one table here before. And I kind of put this together. I put these rails on. Now see, I tried to get rails that were, I don't know if I mentioned this last time. See, these pieces are 36, so I tried to get like 35 and a half. They were out of stock. So I had to get the longer rails. And when I had those plates made, which are actually these plates, this is actually the second set. I had to extend the hole pattern over because originally it was 2 holes here for these 2 holes, and then the hole for the upright. But since these are longer, I had to extend those over. So it's going to be something like that. This actually goes this way. Because I didn't want the end of this rail running into that upright. So I had to put an extra set of holes in here because I couldn't get the shorter ones. But anyway, this is the second set of plates I had made. That's the same as the first set. I got a plate that goes on the outside on each side of the upright, and with this being 2 inches thick and the upright's only 1 inch thick, I had to put these spacers in here. But this, like I said, this is the second set of plates, and I don't know what happened to the first set. I looked everywhere except the right spot, and I can't find them. So anyway, I had to have another set made. That's another $80. And so in the process of having those made, I thought I'd put this together and see what it looked like. But the thing is that I got the plates back and I wanted to put it on the uprights to see what it looked like. But I know that, that would be a waste of time right now because I got to try to fit it for the ball screw. The ball screw is going to go down the center here, and it's going to attach on this end, and it's going to attach on the other end. Now I knew, I knew if I put it up on the uprights, it would look good. And then I have to take it back down to take this piece off so I could mount the ball screw mount in there. But I wanted to mostly put it together and make sure that these holes line up. The spacing from this set of holes to this set of holes was correct on those uprights. And I just laid them on there, and I put the bolts through it, and it looked like it'll work. So I'm pretty happy with that, because all this stuff was pre-drilled. And then the final assembly is when you put it together and you hope that it all fits together, and it seems to be okay. So I'm working on this mount for the ball screw. It's going to go on the underside of here, somewhere in this location, so that when this piece goes back and forth, it'll be in the center. Then, like I said, I'm going to have the end piece here and the end piece on the other end. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm going to mount the ball screw in the center of this rail, so it's 1 inch down from either end, because this is, like I said, 2 inches. So that's going to mount somewhere like that. So this, the distance here is 965. So I need a total distance of 1 inch 965 to the center of that hole, less the thickness here, and it comes out to 1 inch 175. So I was working on this part this morning. This is going to go on the underside of here. Going to attach from the inside. Then this piece is going to attach there. And when that's put together, something like that, that should be the correct thickness. So I'm going to put 4 holes here and mount them here. 2 here, 2 there. And then I got a countersink, counter bore for the 4 mounting holes for this guy, which is going to mount onto here. I got this screw in here to remind me it's a M5, but anyway, that's going to mount on there. So the whole assembly is going to look like that, but this is going to be upside down. And then it's going to mount, like I said, on here. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. So when I get this mount finished, all I really need is the center mount. I don't need the end mounts. The end mounts I can do later, but I just want to get the center mount done, and then I can put it on the stand. And I have to bring the other table in here and actually see what this thing looks like. Yeah, it's hard to believe that I could lose a set of plates that big, but somehow we did. I don't know what happened. But anyway, that's where we are now. All right. Talk to you later.